us again.
So we have tried to film this video like 300 times, but we did so many things the past week that we couldn't remember as we were talking. So now our latest news is that we're gonna watch our footage and go with you guys as we watch it. So stick around. So after crossing the border from Texas to Mexico, we drove to Monterrey and we stayed at this place called Potrero Chico, which had these amazing mountains. And from there we drove to Tamazopo. So Tamazopo has this beautiful river where you can bathe, you can basically park your car or even camp for free at this river, and it also has a few waterfalls where you can jump and just enjoy the day. But we decided to stay at this campground called La Hacienda Gomez, where there was a bunch of cute little dogs and where we were able to bathe with Lulu and Lua, well mostly Lua because Lulu doesn't like bathing. And we were able to enjoy the 7 waterfalls that it has. We were pretty much by ourselves, which is always a plus, and we stayed there about 3 nights and 2 days. And from there we started heading out to Puente de Dios, which was also nearby.
Puente de Dios is this big waterfall and also has a cave, and the currents are so strong that you are forced to wear a life jacket. Once in the water, we were entering into the cave. The cave was really spooky though, and the water were like really clear inside the cave. We had some fun there. Me and I was by ourselves.
We really enjoyed ourselves and we totally loved being underwater in those caves. You have to check it out. After Puente de Dios, we started heading to, where did we head to? Micos. So as you can see, it's a bunch of waterfalls in Micos where you can jump from. And we obviously couldn't do it because this time we were staying at a parking lot and we couldn't take the dogs. So we stayed at the little waterfalls with the dogs. After Micos, there is this sky bike, which I was really afraid to do. And it's only 5 minutes away from Micos and I didn't want to do it. But
it was forced by me.
It was forced by him. Check this out.
We are going to go on a sky bike.
Scary, scary. Arranco.
We drove to probably our favorite waterfalls, right?
Yeah, for sure. They're huge and we were by ourselves there. So.
Yeah, it was amazing. They're called Minas Viejas and it was like an hour and a half away from Micos. And the view was just unbelievable. Look at that.
Waiting
exit was Tamu,
but it was dry
but it was dry
because it hadn't rained in
in a
forever.
while.
So the entire waterfall was just dry, and to get there it was so hard, it was so rocky, but we wanted to do it anyway, so we went.
We just wanted to see.
almost
it was
died.
dry for real.
I almost
nice.
died because I was so scared that we were gonna die on those rocks, but we made it. And aside from all this beautiful and wonderful time that we had, also our water pump broke, and what happened with our battery?
The cable from the body, because of the bumpy roads, just got disconnected. And
Ooh, just got disconnected. It was so scary. Like the car wouldn't turn on, and this awesome guy helped us.
Yeah.
So yes. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully next
Keep on
time.
watching.
Hopefully next time we can make a better video, or we don't have to watch the footage. Whatever. Peace out. Sabi ko na marami na. ¿Te imaginas? This is what I wear when we go up scary roads. Are we going up? Almost.
It is so hot inside the RV that we have to sleep in bathing suits and with ice packs on.
And the water's cold. So beautiful.